Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a simple jump pad mechanic in Unity, just a few lines of code. We first create a public float called jump force, which will control how strong the jump effect is. You can adjust this value in the inspector to make the pad push the player higher or lower. Next, we use onCollisionEntor to detect when another object collides with the jump pad. If that object has a rigid body component, in other words, if it's a physics-enabled object like our player, then we grab it using try_get_component. Finally, we apply a force upwards by calling addForce, multiplied by our jump force variable. This creates the bounce effect. And that's it. Super simple, but really fun to use in your games. You can make different pads with stronger or weaker jump force values, or even change the direction to launch the player sideways. Alright, let's test it out. First, we need to attach our script to the jump pad object. Once we do that, a new field will appear in the inspector called jump force. For our jump pad, we set the launch direction to the y-axis, so the player always bounces straight up. But if you want, you can easily change this in the code. Just replace transform.up with another direction, like transform.forward, or even a custom vector to launch the player sideways or diagonally. If you found this helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more Unity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.